Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the equation form and extracting what you already know. If it's already standard, read off center H, K, and radius R immediately. If it's general, group X and Y terms and prepare to complete the square. Write X terms and Y terms separately, move constant to the other side, and divide by common coefficients if needed. Once done, you'll be ready to compute center coordinates and radius before sketching axes and scale. You now carry out algebra to convert into standard form. Take the X group and add B/2, 2. Do the same for Y with C/2, 2, and add identical values to the right side so equality holds. Combine constants on the right, then simplify to find R2. Take the positive square root for R. Make sure to simplify fractions and reduce signs so the center coordinates are exact. Once complete, record center and radius numerically for plotting. You finish by translating numbers to a clean graph. Draw perpendicular axes, locate the center at H, K, and use a ruler or compass to mark a distance R in 4 directions. Right, left, up, down, these are your cardinal points. Connect smoothly for a round shape or use a compass for accuracy. If something looks off, pick one plotted point and substitute into the original equation. If it fails, recheck your completed squares and arithmetic. That single verification often finds sign or constant errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.